You made it! Welcome to Trello. Let's start with the basics so you can be on your way to becoming a pro in no time. In this video, I'll show you Trello and its key features in a to-do, doing, and done workflow. First off, this is your Trello board. It starts off simple, but becomes a powerhouse as you add lists and cards. Your board is the bird's eye view of an entire project. It's your visual workflow where you can see your various lists, cards, and project stakeholders. You can easily add a list like this. Each list is a column that can hold cards. List names can be personalized. Each list houses cards. The cards represent individual tasks in your workflow. Click Add another card on the list to create a card. A card details all of your important information for a task. Each one can be customized and updated, then move through your lists until it reaches done. Let's take a look at this board. It's a classic to-do list structure. To do, doing, and done. You can create a separate card in your to-do list for every task you need to tackle. As you work on each task, you can move them along to indicate your progress. Got started on that report? Drag and drop that card to your doing list. And when you finish that report, pop it over to the most exciting list, the done list. Nice. Now take a moment to pat yourself on the back, my friend. With this simple workflow, you'll be cruising through your to-do list in no time. Sometimes you need to provide more detail on a task, especially when you're collaborating with others. This is where the card back comes in and the features of Trello truly shines. Simply click on your card and you'll see a variety of ways to add more context and detail. You can write a short or long description. In this menu on the right, there are several gems. Click Members to assign this task to whoever on your team needs to collaborate, review, or help you finalize it. Set a due date and time for when the task is due. Click Label to customize colored labels to give your tasks more context. Click Checklist to create a more detailed list of action items. You can even leave comments with updates and feedback on your cards so your team can always see what you're thinking. Get some perspective on your tasks at a glance. Let's take a closer look at what you can see on the front of each card. The front of your card can give you a clue as to what details are living on the card. Attachments, members involved, and even checklist progression. Sometimes processes and priorities change. Trello is as flexible as you are and can be easily customized. It's easy as pie to move around, add, or remove lists so your workflow can better suit you. Your board looks fantastic. Virtual high five. With all of these tasks to accomplish, you're going to need some help. Now that you've learned the ropes, let's invite your teammates to the awesome board you've created. Go to Invite and choose the folks you need to share your board with. Get them excited to start collaborating by writing a personal message that will go straight to their inbox. Boom! Your tasks, your team, and your workflow, all in one place. No matter the project, Trello makes it easy to work better together.